Just wanted to make a quick video showing you how to set up UTM parameters for Google Ads if you are using ClickCease and also HubSpot. So first things first, you go to the admin account settings section so you can check out the account level tracking template. And you want to confirm that you do in fact have the HubSpot UTM parameters set up. So just highlight the tracking template, go to the end. If you see UTM parameters with HSA in them, that means that is a HubSpot field, and it means that your HubSpot tracking template is added to the account. If that's the case, then if you want to use ClickCease in your ad campaigns, all you have to do is add this to the final URL suffix, KW equals keyword, and CPN equals campaign ID. If you add these and then click save, you should be able to track your campaigns in ClickCease. If you don't have ClickCease, ClickCease will automatically add its own template to the account level tracking template if you connect ClickCease with your Google Ads account. You can always come here to check. It should have ClickCease in the initial area of the tracking template. That way you can verify that it is in fact added. You do not have to add the final URL suffix if it's already here though. Sweet. Hopefully that makes sense. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Cheers.